Good morning, Shane's Pigeon Loft. Got a couple birds out flying. There's 6 of them. Here they are. God, they're far up. I don't know if you can see that, and they're quite a ways up. Look at that. Here he comes. Wow. Here's Zoe. Kind of chilly today. Oh. In another 2 weeks, I'll be going to a auction sale, and I'll be getting rid of a few of my birds. Not my flyers, but some of my breeders, and I'll be starting to do color projects again. We'll see how that works out. Just gonna do this short video because it is kind of cold out here. And he wants to go into the other fly kit. And he went in. Well, you guys have a good day. Shane's Pigeon Loft.